You've seen the videos, right? The ones with the rented Lambos and sprawling mansions, promising you'll make $1,000 a day with some secret, untapped system. You get hyped, watch the entire webinar, and then the pitch drops. All you need to do is buy their $1,000 course or invest in a crypto coin that's guaranteed to moon. Let's just cut through all that noise. You have $0 to invest, but you've got something way more valuable: the grit to put in the work. You're tired of the get-rich-quick nonsense and the gurus who are more flash than substance. You want to build something real and sustainable. In the next few minutes, I'm going to lay out a blueprint for 3 legitimate online businesses you can start today, for free. And I'm not just making this up. I used the very first method to build my own 6-figure income from scratch, so you want to stick around. This isn't about a quick cash grab. This is about building assets that will pay you for the long haul. The methods I'm about to share aren't loopholes or temporary fads. They are foundational business models that will continue to create wealth for years to come. The only difference is, we're coming at it with a zero investment strategy. Forget the idea that you need money to make money. Today, all you need is time, a little focus, and someone to show you the first few steps. So, let's get into the blueprint. Business model number 1: the service arbitrage model, freelancing and consulting. The first and fastest way to turn your time into cash is what I call the service arbitrage model, but you probably know it as freelancing. The concept is dead simple. You have a skill someone needs, and you offer that skill as a service for money. It's the most direct path to an online income because you're using a resource you already have, your knowledge and your abilities. The only investment is your time. Now, you might be thinking, but I don't have any skills anyone would pay for. I bet you're underestimating yourself. Can you write a clear email? That's a writing skill. Can you navigate Instagram or TikTok? That's a social media management skill. Can you organize files on your computer? That's a virtual assistant skill. Today, the demand for specialized freelance skills is through the roof. Companies of all sizes, including a huge number of Fortune 500 companies, use freelance platforms to find talent. Skills like web design, video production, and even AI-powered content editing are in massive demand. The how-to blueprint. First, just pick one skill. Don't try to be a jack of all trades. One thing. It could be designing graphics with a free tool like Canva, writing blog posts, managing a Facebook page, or even simple data entry. Second, go where the customers already are. Forget building a fancy website for now. Create a free, professional-looking profile on a major freelance marketplace like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer.com. Think of these platforms as search engines for clients who are actively looking to hire someone like you. Your profile is your digital storefront. Make it look good. Third, build a portfolio. This is where most beginners freeze up, but it's easy. No past clients? No problem. Make your own work. If you want to be a logo designer, design 5 logos for companies you just made up. Want to be a writer? Write 3 sample blog posts on a topic you love. This portfolio proves you can do the work, and it's way more powerful than just saying you can. Scaling to a sustainable income. Your first goal isn't to make $10,000. It's to land one client and get 1 5-star review. You might have to price yourself a little low at first to get that project. That's fine. Think of it as a paid internship. Once you have that first review, you've got social proof, and landing the second client gets easier. After 5 or 10 positive reviews, you can start inching your rates up. The real goal here is to stop just trading your hours for dollars. As you build your reputation, you can package your services. Instead of charging by the hour, offer a monthly social media package for a flat fee. The freelance world is moving toward subscription-based payments, which means more predictable income for you. Eventually, you can scale by hiring other freelancers or by turning your best service into a digital product or coaching program. Which leads us right into our second model. Business model number 2: the digital asset model, content creation. If freelancing is like renting out your time, the digital asset model is like building a property that pays you rent for years. This is the world of content creation, blogging, YouTube, or growing a niche newsletter. The income here isn't instant. It takes patience, but the reward is a long-term, mostly passive income stream that isn't tied to the hours you work. Blogging isn't dead, the old way of doing it is. Today, a blog or a YouTube channel is the hub for your personal brand. The core idea is simple. You pick a topic you're passionate about and create valuable content around it for free. This content pulls in an audience, and once you have an audience, You have an asset you can monetize in a bunch of different ways. The best part? It costs nothing to start. You can launch a blog for free on platforms like WordPress or Substack. You can start a YouTube channel with the phone in your pocket. First, pick your niche and your platform. This is the most important step. Your niche should be something you actually care about: vegan baking, vintage video games, financial tips for students, whatever. Passion is non-negotiable because it's what will keep you going when the results aren't immediate. Then, pick one platform. Love to write? Start a blog. Comfortable on camera? Start a YouTube channel. Second, just start creating. Don't get stuck worrying about the perfect gear or a flawless strategy. In the beginning, your only goal is to publish consistently. What problems can you solve for people? What questions can you answer? Your first 10 to 20 videos or articles are your training ground. You'll find your voice, figure out what your audience likes, and get into the rhythm of creating. Third, focus on value. People don't come back for fancy production. They come back for content that helps them, entertains them, or makes them think. The creators who win are the ones who build a real connection with their audience by genuinely solving their problems. The monetization blueprint. For the first 6 to 12 months, just focus on growing your audience. Once you have a small, loyal following, you can start to think about money. There are 4 main ways to do this without any investment. Ad revenue. On YouTube, it's the partner program. On a blog, it's Google AdSense. It won't make you rich overnight, but it's a start. Affiliate marketing. You recommend products you actually use and love, and you get a commission when someone buys through your unique link. Digital products. You can package your knowledge into an ebook, a template, or a mini course. You can create professional-looking products for free using tools like Canva. Services. Your content platform becomes the ultimate portfolio, attracting clients who want to hire you for coaching, consulting, or freelance work in your niche. Hey, if you're getting value from this blueprint and you're ready to stop trading time for money, do me a quick favor and hit that like button and subscribe. It's free, and it tells the YouTube algorithm that this is the kind of practical advice people actually want to see. Business model number 3: the connector model, affiliate marketing. Our third business model, the connector model, is the engine that powers a huge part of the creator economy. This is affiliate marketing. Here, you don't create the product or the service. Your job is to connect people with products that can help them, and you earn a commission for making it happen. Affiliate marketing is continuing its massive growth, with spending in the industry having already blown way past the $10 billion mark. This model is the perfect layer to add on top of a blog or YouTube channel, but it can also be a business all on its own. The absolute key to affiliate marketing is trust. People buy from those they know, like, and trust. Think about it. You're far more likely to trust a recommendation from a real person you follow than some random ad. Your job as an affiliate isn't to be a salesperson, it's to be a trusted problem solver who recommends the best tools for the job. First, pick a specific niche. This could be anything from home office gear and software to sustainable fashion or kitchen gadgets. The more specific you are, the easier it is to build an audience that trusts you. Second, build a platform for your recommendations. This doesn't have to be a huge production from day one. You could start a simple product review website with a free site builder. Or you could start a dedicated Instagram or TikTok account where you review products. The goal is just to create a home for your reviews where people can find them. Third, find affiliate programs. Almost every major brand has one. Just Google brand name plus affiliate program. There are also huge networks like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank that have thousands of programs under one roof. When you sign up, you'll get special trackable links to use. The wrong way to do affiliate marketing is to just spam your links everywhere. The right, sustainable way is to create content that gives real value and context. Write detailed reviews, create best of lists, and make tutorials showing how to actually use the products. For example, instead of just posting a link to a camera, you could write a blog post titled "The 5 Best Cameras for Beginner YouTubers." In that post, you'd review each one, talk about the pros and cons, and use your affiliate links. That approach builds trust and helps people make a smart decision. Your income grows as your library of helpful content grows. Your old review articles and videos will continue to get traffic and make sales for months and even years, turning into a significant, mostly passive income stream. So that's the blueprint, the guide to making money online without a dollar to your name. We covered the service arbitrage model, freelancing, where you turn your skills into cash right away. We covered the digital asset model, content creation, where you build a long-term audience. And we covered the connector model, affiliate marketing, where you earn by connecting people to great products. But here's the most important part: don't try to do all of them at once. Seriously, don't. The key to breaking the cycle of just thinking about it is to choose one of these models, the one that actually sounds exciting to you, and take the first small step today. Don't get lost in analysis paralysis. Just pick one and go. Which of these 3 models are you going to start with? The service model, the asset model, or the connector model? Let me know down in the comments. I read every single one, and I genuinely want to see what you're going to build. And if you want to go deeper, in my next video, we're going to break down exactly how to land your first client on Upwork in the next 7 days. So make sure you're subscribed with the notifications on. Stop dreaming about an online income and start building one. The time is now.